Top 5 New Technologies to Make Money in 2024. Are you ready to explore the future of earning money? In today's episode, we're diving into the top 5 technologies that hold the key to making money in 2024. From artificial intelligence to 5G technology, we're about to embark on a journey through the cutting-edge advancements that are reshaping industries and creating lucrative opportunities for entrepreneurs. Get your notepads ready, because you won't want to miss out on what lies ahead in this tech-driven world of possibility. Welcome to the future of wealth creation. Welcome to today's episode where we're going to talk about the top 5 technologies to make money in 2024. As we approach the future, advancements in technology continue to reshape industries and create new opportunities for entrepreneurs. So let's dive right in. 1. Artificial intelligence AI. Coming in at number 1 is artificial intelligence or AI. Artificial intelligence or AI is poised to be a game changer in 2024. It encompasses various technologies like machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Businesses are leveraging AI to enhance customer experiences, automate repetitive tasks, and gain valuable insights from complex data. From personalized recommendations in e-commerce to autonomous vehicles and healthcare diagnostics, AI offers endless opportunities for entrepreneurs willing to delve into this field. 2. Virtual and augmented reality, VR/AR. Number 2 on our list is virtual and augmented reality, also known as VR and AR. Virtual and augmented reality, or VR and AR, are experiencing rapid advancements as we head into 2024. VR creates immersive environments, transporting users into lifelike simulations, while AR overlays digital information onto the real world. Beyond gaming and entertainment, VR and AR are finding applications in various fields. Industries like real estate, education, and healthcare are embracing these technologies to provide interactive experiences, virtual training simulations, and innovative ways of visualizing data. 3. Internet of Things, IoT. At number 3, we have the Internet of Things, or IoT. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is revolutionizing the way we interact with everyday objects. IoT refers to the network of interconnected devices, allowing them to collect and exchange data autonomously. In 2024, IoT will continue to expand its reach into sectors like energy, agriculture, and manufacturing. Smart homes equipped with connected devices, wearable health monitors, and efficient supply chain management systems are just a few examples of how entrepreneurs can leverage IoT to create innovative and profitable ventures. 4. Blockchain and cryptocurrency. Coming in strong at number 4 is blockchain technology and its most popular use case, cryptocurrency. Blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, has gained significant attention in recent years. Blockchain offers a decentralized and secure way of recording transactions and contracts. This technology has the potential to transform industries, enabling transparent supply chains, efficient financial transactions, and even digital identity solutions. Additionally, investing in cryptocurrencies has proven to be a profitable venture for many, although it does come with its risks and complexities. 5. 5G technology. Last but certainly not least, we have 5G technology. As we enter 2024, 5G technology is set to revolutionize connectivity. With its ultra-fast speeds and low latency, 5G will unlock the full potential of technologies like autonomous vehicles, the Internet of Things, and telemedicine. Smart cities that harness the power of 5G will offer improved transportation systems, enhanced public services, and exciting opportunities for entrepreneurs to develop innovative applications and services that thrive on this hyper-connected infrastructure. And there you have it, the top 5 technologies to make money in 2024. Whether you're interested in AI, VR/AR, IoT, blockchain, or 5G, these emerging technologies hold immense potential for entrepreneurs and innovators. Remember, success lies in finding the right opportunity and combining it with your unique skills and passions. So, stay motivated, keep your finger on the pulse of tech trends, and who knows, 2024 might just be your most prosperous year yet. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this episode helpful, Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.